Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got oil and tools and wrenches. I'm gonna change the oil in the turbo. Since I don't have an oil pump for it, I'm basically just packing it full of oil, fresh oil every other time I use it. I just take off this and use it. So, yep. Why it's got one bolt? Well, okay, right in there, that other hole. There's a bolt broke off down in there, and I tried to weld it, and I accidentally welded the bolt into the housing, so I kind of have to just run one bolt and tighten it down good, but it don't leak, so I'm going to keep running it. I'm going to get this loose, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Okay, we now got the cap off, and yeah, it was running pretty close to dry. There's a few drops in there. That's about it. So I'm going to try and film putting oil in here. This was 5W30. It's close enough for a turbo like this. Alrighty, I'm gonna try and turn it on real quick. Gotta cap this. I'm trying. I can't tell if that turbo's spinning, so I'm gonna let her fire for just a second. Well, is that metallic-y? Focus on the oil, come on. I believe it is. Okay, let's tighten her down here and keep her from spinning off. Keep her slid over. Yeah, it's trying to. I can't really lean the phone up, so I'll catch y'all in a second. Okay, we got her tightened down. She ain't going nowhere, bud. So that's tightened down. Let's fire her up and see if she leaks. She fire without choke. Oh, okay, well. Well. Okay, let's just keep trying. Sounds like it's not getting fuel pressure. Okay, let me see watch the filter here. Tell me what it does. Now it works. That's what came out of there. Wait, no, never mind. That ain't. Ah, water's hitting me from it. Well, she ain't leaking, so. Oh boy. Okay, we got oil in the turbo. Perfect. Alrighty, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.